Interestingly enough, we're in pepper mode because I am about to pair with that making a flank steak. I have a beautiful piece of flank steak here.
You using blue pepper too?
No, I'm not using blue pepper.
Okay.
I am using Grace Jerk seasoning.
Nice man.
And there's a mild and a hot, and I'm using the hot. So a nice hot
Look,
slight pepper in that drink.
And
this one's spicy.
So you skip medium.
This one's spicy. This one's spicy. This guys is a real simple thing to throw on the grill. This is a nice piece of flank steak. And what I am doing to this flank steak is cutting it against the grain. I just really want to just give it a nice little sear. So this is ready for the marinade to kind of just soak in there. Do it on both sides. And just do a nice little slice there. Bam, bam. Just like that. Yeah? I am going to pull together a marinade. I'm going to just rest my steak here. And Ronnie, very simple marinade, and I'm using this guy because I want all the ingredients in the marinade to interact directly with the steak.
To get in the mix.
Yeah, so I am using one of these bags. It's a very simple. The bags are available all over the place. Heavy resealable bags. I'm starting with some olive oil. Just about a quarter cup of olive oil in there. I have red wine vinegar. Lime juice, very, very important. Lime juice. It kind of helps.
This about half cup?
It's about a half cup. But this is a very tough piece of meat, very muscular piece of meat. And so you really need the lime juice to break it down and help break it down a bit. And I'm putting together some fajitas. So I'm using this steak. It's a perfect piece of steak to roll some fajitas with. So that's why if you recognize what I have here, I have some onions and peppers.
Oh, you have onions there too?
Onions and peppers on the grill.
Just making sure you have onions.
Onions and peppers. Some chili seasoning that I'm getting in there. So it's all one marinade and you're getting all the seasonings in there.
Oh, Shadow Benny.
Shadow Benny.
Wonderful.
Shadow Benny in your drink.
Bandania.
Shadow Benny in your drink, Shadow Benny in your steak.
So we have a little food pairing going on.
You understand? Salt, pepper. I have some garlic. I must use some garlic.
You have any ginger down there by chance, sir?
I don't have no ginger, you know.
Okay.
I ain't got no ginger. I ain't got no ginger in the groceries.
Alright, that's why I say that. I know you're a ginger man.
I'm a ginger man.
I know we had this discussion before. We had this discussion.
We did.
That's why I asked. But it's okay.
So just garlic I have today. And my final ingredient is the Grace Jerk seasoning. As I told you, it comes in two different flavors, mild and hot. And I'm using the hot fella today. So two nice heaping teaspoons. It's very flavorful. Really, take a little.
This is Grace before meals or Grace after meals?
Before, after, and continuing meals.
Miss Grace. Miss Grace.
Madam Grace. Madam Grace. So with that now, I get that there, and I just kind of want to get everything
mixed
in nice.
Man.
Yeah. Mix in.
Ready? So the steak, wait now, the steak going in there, go? Anticipated, you know?
Yeah, anticipated.
Aye.
This fella goes straight in here. So for this to work, this needs to stay in here for no more than 20. I want 24 hours overnight.
Serious, kusume.
Like kusume in here. But do this and throw this in the fridge.
Yeah.
And when you take this out tomorrow, you get this guy here.
So that one settled.
This settled.
Aye.
Overnight.
And marinated well.
Yeah, no,
as in
when I open
that 24 hours or?
This is overnight. This is 24 hours.
Nice, okay.
Overnight. So all I am doing, Ronnie, is taking this guy. My grill is hot. Nice and hot. I am taking this guy.
That guy.
And throwing him right there.
Do you really want to be that guy?
And we could go and take a sip of this drink. Leave him there for about 7 to 9 minutes. Yeah. Take a sip.
I mean sipping.
Take a sip. Alright, so just about that time to flip, guys. And this is what you want. You see that nice grill marks there.
Wow.
So really important is not to interfere too much with the steak.
Let it rest.
Yeah. So when you flip it, you leave it there another 7 minutes or so. Guys, so it's just about ready, but just before we take it off, I just want to use some of the marinade.
What are you saying? They're the same sauce there?
Same marinade.
Okay, good.
That we took it off there.
Ooh, look fire.
One
fire.
Fire.
And one quick flip.
One flip there. Boom.
Yes,
And gonna baste again?
And one more baste.
Ay, ay,
And then
ay.
it's ready to come off the grill.
Looking like you know what you're doing.
When it comes off the grill, Ronnie, Tyrone, leave it, let it rest for another 5-7 minutes.
Oh.
Let the juices redistribute.
So don't take it on and cut it one time.
Don't just take it off
Like
and cut
pull,
it one
like
time.
pull.
Juices come back into it.
Ay, ay, ay.
Nice.
I am just getting some tortilla wraps, Ronnie. Just
I'm
want to get
watching you,
just a
watching you,
couple.
brother.
I'm feeding Tyrone, so I'll put in a couple there.
Yeah, don't forget my
I
underside.
forget.
Yeah.
I don't want to
Don't
forget
leave out
Tyrone.
Mr. 10 to 1.
Yes.
10 to 1. I don't want to leave out 10 to 1. So guys, while that is doing that, this is ready to cut. So this is the green. I'm cutting against the green at a bias. That's what I want. And I can start building my tortillas. Flip these guys. Nice grill marks. Building this is very simple, guys. You just want, as I said, a few nice pieces of steak here. Want to cut this guy here. Bam. The neighbor dog getting on there.
Smelling the
Yeah,
juice.
it is scent, you know.
So you remember my peppers and onions? Nice little peppers and onions, salt, pepper, very, very simple. Remember this is jerk flavored. So you really don't want overly too much other seasonings in there.
Because Grace supposed to stand out, eh?
It stands out, trust me. I have some avocado that I will just slice here for you, Ronnie. Avocado kind of nice.
Fine, you're calling my name, boy.
Yeah.
Like, so that's mine then. So I need to shift Mr. 10 to 1 here and make some space. I find you're calling my name.
Some sour cream that I'll just dot on that there for you.
All right, then I'm waiting.
And some
Tomatoes.
we did some fresh tomato salsa just
Always
over
what
that
you
there.
Oh, you just wrap that now.
So that's not my problem, that is yours.
No problem, exactly.
My
You
brother,
just wrap that.
enjoy.
Nice.
Guys, Tyrone, thank you very much. That's our
Going for the wrap.
jerk
It's a wrap
flavored
on this side.
steak fajitas that Ronnie's gonna bite into.
It's a
Tyrone,
wrap.
oh my goodness, wonderful tropical rhythm.
Yeah, but
10 to 1 is with us.
Joe, I take it.
Of course.
Yeah, boy.
Cheers,
10 to 1.
cheers. We're gonna put a sweet ending to this. Come on right back, guys. Grilling with Grace comes to you courtesy Grace Jerk Seasonings, jamming flavor.